Hey guys, thank you for clicking on my video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this reddish burgundy tint on my brows. So first I'm going to start off by taking a regular dark brown eyebrow pencil and outlining the bottom of my brows. So after outlining the bottom of my brows, I'm going to brush my hairs down and then I'm going to begin to outline the top of my brows. 90% of the time that I'm outlining or filling in my eyebrows, I just follow its natural shape. Once I'm done outlining the top and bottom of my brows, I'm just going to go in with a dark brown pencil and fill them in. While filling my eyebrows in with a pencil, I like to constantly go in with a spoolie or an eyebrow brush just to make sure everything is even. Then I'm just going to do the exact same thing to the other brow. Usually when I see people coloring their eyebrows, they use the color for the full brow. Like they would start off by using a red. But for me, I just want it to be a tint and I don't want my whole eyebrow to actually be red. So I'm going to completely fill in my eyebrows with dark brown first. When I know that I'm going to be concealing my eyebrows after outlining them and filling them in, I tend to not be as neat when I'm doing it. But at the end, when I'm finished concealing it and blending everything out, it looks super neat, super sharp, it looks cute. So just keep watching the video and you'll see how nice the end result comes out to be. Now I'm just touching up the beginning of my brows before I go in with the red. Now I'm going to go in with the red pencil, starting at the end of the brow and working my way up to the front. Just like before, I'm going in repeatedly with that eyebrow brush just to make sure the colors are blended out and everything is even. And as you could see, I don't really take the color all the way to the top of the brow because that's just how I prefer it. I don't really like seeing the colors at the tip of the brow. I like it to be like my natural hair, how my roots are black and then the ends of the hair is colored. After I finish filling in my eyebrows with the red pencil, I go back to the dark brown pencil and lightly fill in the ends of my brows just to make sure those colors really mesh together and my eyebrows are not too bright. Now I'm just concealing my eyebrows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. Usually when I'm doing my makeup on an everyday basis and I want more of a natural look, I'll use Chestnut because it's closer to my skin tone. But since I'm about to do my makeup after this, Toffee's fine. Guys, I'm not used to concealing my brows on camera, so you can see I'm struggling and I'm almost out of frame and I messed up my eyebrow. But I fixed it and it looks very nice and very neat. So now all there is left to do is blend underneath the brow, blend on top of the brow, in between the brows, blend. After I'm done doing my brows, I really just like to make sure that between my brows is blended with the concealer. And I even dab the concealer between my brows and sometimes at the beginning of each brow just to make sure it's not too boxy at the front and it has an ombre effect throughout the brows. So this is the final look. I really like how it turned out. I hope you guys liked it too. Thank you guys again for watching my video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to follow me on all my social media listed down below. And I'll see you guys next time.